I found it. I found what I was looking for. This is Hobby Lobby. So I was looking for something like this. Yep, yep. There you go. There you go. How much is it though? Let me see. $60? Hot damn. So with the 40% off, it's $35. Let me see the little one. It doesn't need to be big. $40. It'd be $25. What? Oh, hell nah.
When I was looking back at you, oh how I've missed those sights.
I totally missed the whole recording. I forgot. I was making this a video, but I haven't started doing anything really anything, and I already took off all the glasses. No, but like I haven't cleaned it yet. This is still like super dirty. This needs to be cleaned. If it only focuses. I guess it's not, but you guys can see that. It's really dirty. Look at that. Yep, that's what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and just scrub it and wash it. But for that, so funny thing real quick, I was taping these as they were still on there. That's why they're like that. As soon as I'm like done with the last one, while they were still on there, I realized that they had these little clips that you can just take off the glass. I'm just like, are you serious? And I spent maybe like a full on 40 minutes, I think, trying to put these right so that when I start spray painting it, it doesn't get into the glass. So yeah, that was that. But I'm about to go wash it right now. And I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Actually, that's when I remembered that I was doing a video. But I wanted to, before I do that, I wanted you guys to see how dirty this was. This is like legit dirty. But we're about to change that. So, with the power of editing, it is now clean. And there it is. It only took me about like maybe 4 hours. Just kidding. Probably 3. Literally. I think I started at like 11-ish. 11, 12. No, 2 hours. Just kidding. Girl doesn't know her math. But yeah. This is the best I could possibly do. And I was really trying to get into the very corners. As you can see, I wasn't that successful. But it looks better than it did before, that's for sure. So I tried scrubbing it, and because this is so like thin, I also had to take my time because I didn't want to get cut. You know? But yeah. And this is about to be transformed once again with the color, because I don't really like this color at all. I mean, I could, but I don't like it. So yeah, this is it. This is it. Let's go ahead and transform it once more. I did it. This is the final deal. Well, almost the final deal. I cleaned up the mirrors. Sort of. I saw as much right there. That's just because I grabbed it right now. And yeah. I also bought this from Shein. I can leave it linked down below. If I can. I'll figure it out. But yes, I got this from Shein. I wanted to decorate my wall decor with this. I don't know, my wall. And I thought maybe I could hang this instead. Because this little space that I have right here is a little space. You know? and this is pretty big. So I thought maybe hanging it would be a better idea. Y mejor lo voy a colgar. So decidí colgarlo con esto. And on this end, I'm gonna put the little hook up in the ceiling and hang it from there. So it's gonna look beautiful. But now I'm just gonna put the Himalayan salt in there. I'm gonna put some Himalayan salt, and I'm also gonna open up the window because I'm gonna light some incense and cleanse this real quick. It'll work better, maybe. And I'm kind of squatty, so you guys can see me. But yeah, this is the little door. The only thing about this, lo único defectuoso que salió de esto es que la puertita está un poquito medio chueca. Yeah, but you can't tell, so that's good. I did use the rustic spray paints from Walmart in some rusty, rosy pink shade. And I did 3 coats of it, and then I did the glossy one. So, that's that. Let's open this bad boy up. I need to buy me a selenite tower so I can put it in there. But for now, this is gonna go in here so you can. I do need me a selenite tower. Okay, I have I have these crystals here that I'm gonna put in there. This is a jasper in a heart shape, sort of. I mean, it is hard, but replace them with her there. I don't know what this is. I forgot. Do you guys know? Comment down below, but I really liked it. It has like 3 colors in there, and it's also heart shaped. I want to say this is amethyst, but it also has like a shade of pink in there. You see that? Yeah, and I don't know what it's called, but it's cute. This is the moonstone in a heart shaped. I'm in love with this one. Lapis lazuli. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but I have it in this little one. These are the ones that I got. This was my starter kit, I think, because they came in a little bundle, and this was my first set of crystals, I think. No, I'm probably wrong, but anyways, that I bought off Amazon. Yes. And then I have the sphere shape as well, so we're gonna keep a 1 in there. Adventurine. I think this one also came in a little pack. Dalmatian. And sphere. I'm gonna put it in there just to. This is a charging station, so I'm gonna have all my crystals get charged. I have this heart one, rose quartz. I love this one. Smoke quartz, I think that's what it's called. You see, I'm still studying about crystals. So yeah, there's a lot. Hay mucho que aprender. These, I think I'm just gonna leave them here. Actually, tiger's eye is gonna go in there too. This is part of the little packet that I got from Amazon as well. I think like 5 of them came together. Opalite. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. But this is a lovely, like, I don't know. It's just, I love it. This little stone, it just called out to me, so I had to get it. It's so smooth. It does have its little weird shape. It's not really oval, but it just called out to me. So small and smooth. I don't know. But okay, we're just gonna leave those there for now. My signature crystal. You guys, this is so pretty. And I don't even know what it's called. But I did get this at a convention. Sea glass. It's a little dirty. Alright, I'm going to start off with those, but I'm going to go ahead and hang it now. And I'll show you guys the rest of my crystals that I have. Not too many, but just so you guys can see what I have. And then you can let me know in the comments below which ones do you have and which one is your favorite. So these are the rest of the crystals that I have. These are definitely fake, for sure. But then I have this one, don't know what that's called. They got these turquoise ones, and I think I got these at a river. It's not really a crystal, it's just a rock, but it called out to me. And titaniums. An amethyst. I got, for protection, I forgot what this is called. It's at the tip of my tongue. But, I have this. I got this at a convention as well. More titaniums. I love these little guys. This was also from a river. This is my gratitude. I am grateful for all of you guys. The ones that have joined the Weird Crazy Wild journey. The ones that are going to. This is my gratitude rock. Smoke quartz. I have this one from the geode. This is a geode crystal. Obsidian, serpentine, adventurine, and a bunch of fake little things over there. Fake crystals. But yeah, let's get to cleansing. And I'm a little scared, but we're gonna test it to see if it's not too heavy. And hope I don't die. Oh no. Oh no. I'm so scared. But it doesn't look like it's gonna fall, and I don't know why I'm still scared. That this might just slip right off. I don't know. So far, so good. I hope my reflexes are this quick, just in case it does. And I save it. Oh, oh, look at this. Look at this. I get so scared. But I have the dragon's blood incense. I lit up a little candle in there, a tea light candle, just because I don't know, it looks cute. So we're just gonna go ahead and cleanse it real quick. I'm gonna say this little prayer in my head, but so we can cleanse it of all bad, evil energies from the previous owner as well. So that is my little charging station. It is all set, ready to go. That's what it looks like. It's gonna look even better when I finish decorating this entire wall, which is in another of my videos. But for this charging station, that's it. We're all good. Look at this. That's cute. I'm still a little scared that might slip off. I don't know. Maybe I'm just tripping. I'm exaggerating. Sorry. My dudes, but that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, become part of the Weird Crazy Wild journey, and also hit the bell so you can get notified. If you want to give it a thumbs up, or if you disliked it, give it a thumbs down as well. That'll let me know. But thank you so much for watching. Today's shout out is to I Am Groot. Thank you for staying active in the comments below. Love ya. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.